Guys, welcome back to a brand new video, the Tuner UK here. Today we have a Seat Leon FRN having a stage 1.5 map and a Volkswagen Golf R having a stage 2 map and also an induction kit Ram Air fitted into it. So yes, so some gains today. Also, as you can see behind me, all the new signs are up. So we've officially transformed from Remap to the Tuner UK. So it's quite a big day. So we're gonna cue some cinematics, show you around the cars, show you the Ram Air induction kit that's been fitted onto the 7.5, and we're gonna strap the Leon onto the Dyno and let's get some action underway. So guys, as you've seen, the FR has made some pretty decent gains for a stage 1.5. All that's left is to show you the Ram Air induction on the Golf R and cue some other beauties that are sitting around the unit at the moment. Take a look at this.